is organic chemistry. It actually another 4 months more, right? As per I asked from sir, that means until October you all were with me, will be with us, right? Inshallah. So up to that, I said only you two are coming from this week. I said, so what sir's plan is? And I said, no, sir. Just I want to do the question which is the most targeted
madam sir,
area.
Shadat sir.
Yeah, Charles. Which is the targeted area they can score more. The best negative thing is what you know, MCQ. What we all are doing in MCQ now, maybe the half of session, maybe you all right, but if you fail to find the answer, you will end up with the wrong answer, right? Okay, so this is what the major disadvantage in the chemistry paper when they are making the MCQs. That is what you have to work more on. So we have to based on, right, according to our knowledge. I just yesterday also I had such kind of thing, but I thought even though we'll teach everything, but it's not use someone. We'll do something like that. We will take the last 5 years paper, past paper questions, right? Last 5 years paper, even though I have done those questions with you all, you might forget it, right? So from next week, this is my plan that I'm going to implement to you all. I'm starting with first 1 and 2 unit. What is your first unit? The electron configuration, that blah, 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 that unit. There is nothing, right? Basic one. And your second one is the bond nature. So first we will start with the MCQs. Okay, we'll select the chapter and the year, right? So we will start with 2019, guys. I don't want to just, you want to look at the answer and giving the answer. I'm not expecting from you. I need soulfully, guys, you have to do that question 100 out of 100 when you take the structure. Okay, Mahdi can do, that is okay. Mahdi done last time, that is somewhat is, we'll say, easy one, not like your A-level password. 5 to 6 years. So according to my knowledge, which area I thought to cover with you all, right? One is very good starting. You can see the board, right? Unit 1, unit 2, right?
Yes.
That is belongs to the MCQ should be there. Why nothing is writing? Okay, right this way. What about the sentence? Is it okay? Did you all talk with you all? Okay, or sir only said that you don't have class this week? Who said? Sentence or Shahid? Yes, guys.
What madam?
Sentence. You this week you don't have this physics class, right? Who informed Sendal sir or Shahid sir that we are unable to? Shahid sir,
Ruben
right?
sir.
Ruben sir. I'm not asked for this. Okay, right. Okay. So we'll target the 1 and 2 MCQs. Right? Your MCQ plus structure. The structure 1. I need 100 out of 100. MCQ. First 2. You might get at least 3 questions. Least one is 3 to 5. We will target plus 5 without getting wrong. So what we are targeting is Here you are getting the 5 marks directly, and here 100 divided by 1000. Okay. Into 50, right? What is the marks? Yes, guys. 1000 to 100 now. 50 to how much? Yes, 10 divided by 50 is 5 marks. Okay, so this you will get the 5 marks. So 5 plus 5, we target 10 marks. 100 out of 100. First, our target is we are going to achieve 10 marks solidly. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Okay. Then next, unit 3. The unit 3 is very important, which is the...
Approximately we'll put 9, madam.
No, I need 10. If you are
Madam,
getting
little
wrongs in
upset
the first,
means
if you are losing the marks, the MCQ in above 10 question, right? Below 10 question, the 1 to 10, that means you are not supposed to do the chemistry. That is the easiest question that you all are getting. We will target the MCQ more. Right? Once we finish our target, I'll do the paper 2019. Okay, 6 year back means what? 2012 to 2019. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 8 years ago. So we'll go for the 2014. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 6 years papers. Don't take the papers answers or whatever, soulfully you have to do with me. If you supposed to cheat me, it doesn't mean you are cheating me. You are cheating yourself, your future, your A-level results, right? So, okay, just first we will work on these 10 marks, right? And the unit 3 is very important, guys. Unit 3 is basically you will get up to this at least 3 or 4 MCQ. And major, this is what you will get a structure or MCQ. Essay, everything is incorporated. You never get the unit 3 directly like a question, which is incorporated with the what the acid titration and everything. We'll see where there is any titration questions. Along with the redox question, we will do such question and practice. So though it is not you're having between this 2014 and 2019, I will go for beyond that level also. We'll search something and we'll do on this unit 3 also. Okay. And next.
then when a unit 3 no need even no.
No, you have to study. That is the basic for other calculation and everything. If you want to do the equilibrium, you need unit 3. Your MCQ to find the mass percentage, volume percentage more than
unit 3
MCQ
means
should be
that
5.
balancing thing, no? That
Yeah,
one,
balancing.
however, it is useful,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah, so we need, it's minimum my target is at least 10 marks you can get from that. Whole paper. At least out of 10, we have to target 5. Guys, to get the pass marks, we have to go for 35. That means we have to target at least 50, then only you can go for the 35. At least 50. Sometimes, luckily, if you're done, you can go for C also. Right? So our target is now I'm talking the 1, 2, 3. It's totally go for what? 15 marks. Next. Go for the 4 and 5. The 4 always combine with unit 11 and 12. But we will study this 4 along with 5 to do the MCQ. Plus sometimes you will get the structure question plus essay. Essay definitely 75 marks. Structure is, if you get out of these things, will suppose think you will get 100 question, right? So 170, this is direct, will say at least you will have the five question, right? So this is 175 divided by 1000 into 100 now. Okay, 17.5 divided by 2. Yes, quickly. Okay, we'll target 17 point. This is also 9. We'll say 40. We already had the 15. We'll target for 40. Now we add the track. We'll say it's a 29. Even though if we study until the entire question. Right? Okay. So still what we worked on, we just came to the 29 marks. Okay. Right. And next, I am going to do the inorganic chemistry. Unit 6. Only targeting what? Structure. Not to move on to the essay. Later only we will do, right? The structure 100 means what? Divide by 1000, you will end up with 5 marks. Yeah, now we came for 34, right? And again, inorganic chemistry, you keep aside. Organic chemistry, that is also keep aside. So there are the organic chemistry, yes. Even though inorganic chemistry, you might have what MCQs. Minimum 5 questions per 1 year. At least we will target the 3 questions. Now you step into SPARS. If you study until 6, the unit 6 is not fully right. If you were able to do the MCQ and structure, that is well enough. Don't target your, I never say don't target. If you could not stress effort at all, do this, these up to this very thoroughly. If you're confident about that, you can end up with passing. Right. And next, equilibrium question. Though you feel that is very hard area, I say there is a phase equilibrium. At least 40 marks you will get. Okay, we'll say 30. This is easy one. If you study, I will teach it again while do the question. That is easy. Right. A small initiation of that question, right? Ionic equilibrium and the KSP. I am telling guys, no, don't do fully. Just we will try the question, the equilibrium part, which I will teach you finally. Before that, you just try to go through your notes. We will do only the past paper. Along with that, if you need any notes, I will incorporate it. Right. So at least we will target out of this one, not only 150, more than 150, right? We will target at least 50, right? So again, 2.5, your essay structure will go for 540. Okay, that is equilibrium. We will study later. Okay, we will study the true false question and the about 41 to 50 question. We will do the past paper question one by one, so you will be familiar. It should be really easy once you're familiar with that, right? And next, guys, very important, electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a 75 marks and the environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry, guys, please study very clearly. We don't have our syllabus past papers. Whatever the question I already done, but again I will redo it. Whatever the relevant past paper questions, right? Target 150 from here. So that means what? You will get the 7.5. Is it right? 100 now 5, 150 now 15, right? Yeah, you will get the 7.5. So again, we'll go for this 7.5 electron. This will go for altogether. We'll say 10. Now you are at C pass. Shall we do? Shall we go along with these things? Will you all cooperate with me? Though you are going to the class, go with notes, study that one, even though they also will practice with the papers and everything. This is our
Madam,
minimum time. First, we will achieve this all, okay? And we will step into the organic cluster. Finally, before we start the organic chemistry, you all by heart all organic stuff. And
madam, if we study organic also, we have covered the full syllabus, madam. Then
still, what you all are thinking is that you want to cover all thing right. In my sake, if you complete up to this, then only I will step into the organic chemistry. No worry, I will do at least 5 or 6 questions. 6 question. Definitely, I want to do it. At least you have to end up with the structure, the half of the structure, and the MCQs. At least, if you could not do the essay part. If you can do the C part, environmental chemistry 1 question, out of organic or inorganic, you can do only 1 question. You have to select which one is easy for you. Then study. Okay, we'll do, but I'm not eagerly giving to the chance to that. If you are interested on organic, okay, we'll do definitely. We have 4 months time, guys. We have 4 months time. I'm just updating up to 50 marks. We are going to try just doing only these things. Out of 50, right? At least you can get the pass. My target, inshallah, to say step into the C. So yeah, of course, organic chemistry I also wanted to do with you all, but without studying, nothing is useless. Organic and inorganic chemistry. But your structure is the very easiest stuff when you compare with your essay part, right? Definitely, what I'm targeting is out of 4 structure, you should be able to do the three structure. And your B part out of 3 questions, at least you should do the 1.5 question. C part, at least you should do 1.5. C part, definitely you can go for out of 3, you can come 2 mark, even though you have to do 2 out of 2 also you can do, because that sessions are covered by enthalpy, gaseous one, ionic equilibrium, phase equilibrium is the easiest one, and along with your electrochemistry. That is only the physical area. When you step into what the part C, that is environmental chemistry, guys, you have to by heart. Even though you by heart the organic chemistry, I'm not discriminating you all. Even though you by heart, you are unable to do the question at the moment when you under stress, the time limit and everything. But the environmental chemistry, whatever you by heart, even the 1 or 2 word answer you can give in the best way. So please study environmental chemistry to get the good results. You will have the structure 150 essay, at least you will end up with 5 questions. Maximum, minimum 3 questions. I have seen, I have checked your past papers. So target like that. Please target yourself like that. And once we achieve the physical chemistry, electrochemistry, all 5 to 6 year paper, Inshallah, after that only I will start to do the organic chemistry. You should be clear about it. Covering every syllabus, nothing. It's just a word to me. Nothing. But even though if I could not, I will make the video, okay, within that criteria, within 4 months, if unable to finish it at all. Okay, according to your wish, I will make the videos regarding the organic chemistry past paper set. We will upload on the YouTube channel. So this is what sir said. Sir will create the YouTube channel. Then he will share the links. That is the private only for the Amalians, our students. Because why? You are having the problem in MS Team, that is Google. Sometimes it's not coming and so many complaints. Once I download, I could not download it again into the Google, but your MS Team also. So then sir said, whatever it's I teach, I can download it seems and can hand over to the sir. So he will create that YouTube channel. He will upload it and after that he will share that links, right? So from that you can keep on studying. So inshallah on Monday I will start with unit 1 and 2. So it's my kind request guys, before start that unit, don't look at the answers of the book, your past paper book, right? Take the books, your notes, what you all have, refer and keep it yourself. This Saturday and Sunday. We will do our best. Okay, as per you requested, inshallah, I will cover the organic chemistry also. Within that time period, if I could not able to finish it, I will upload that videos also. At least 5 years paper, structure area, MCQ area. We will do once we complete this 5 years, 2014 to 2019, we'll step into go because we don't have any question belongs to the environmental chemistry on your electrochemistry. That is out of syllabus. Only before year something, 2-3 year paper only we have the structure seems to be, it's correlated with your syllabus. Maybe 2017 they have changed, yeah. Module your syllabus 2017. For that sake, it might be different. Right? Are you all agree? Are you all clear what I said? Yes? My maximum target is this year,
Yes.
no any fail. Like the last year. I don't know, ask your friends also, at least though they could not attend the class, please follow that YouTube stuffs and ask them to study their self. This is what only I can do. So today we can do class at 11 o'clock. Right, yeah, so today I just want to, because from tomorrow lockdown, right? Today I really wanted to do the 1 hour session, but only 2 sessions asked us to do the 1/2 an hour session. What happened? Okay, let's we do the question. It's belong to your your exam paper, that electrochemistry part. Right? What is the question? So hopefully guys, please take the printouts and keep the papers with you all. Right? Then only it's easy to teach me. Right. Easy to teach for you all, right? Right, okay, write the reduction half reaction. Whenever you write the electrode reaction, they will use to write the reduction reaction. Then only you have to find which one is oxidizing, which one is reducing. According to that, you have to find it. And this is what the cell diagram. AgS, AgCl, Cl minus. Can you all remember the cell diagram? This is the cell diagram. Can you all write the reaction? The reduction reaction. Yes. Anyone can say? It should be reduction reaction. That means your initial state should be the highest oxidation than your final state. So think here Ag oxidation is 0. Here Ag oxidation is +1. This is -1. Right. And here -1. Okay. So according to this, the Cl is not changing, only the Ag is changing. So you have to write the reduction reaction. They are AgCl solid. The physical state are important under electrochemistry, which is giving Ag plus Cl minus. This is aqueous. This is oh, sorry. Ag, right? And Cl minus. Did you all understand? So this is what +1 is here.
But Ag plus?
Not Ag plus, sorry. Ag. What is you have here? Ag solid, right? Ag solid. So look at this, whatever the cell diagram is given, that should be by using that only you have to write the reaction. Here Ag solid is becoming as a Ag solid and the Cl minus aqueous, right? So according to that, you have to write the reduction reaction. This is +1 here, and it's reducing as 0. So AgCl becoming as a Ag and the Cl minus becoming as a Cl minus. So this is what the reduction reaction of this cell reaction. Did you all understand? Yes? Clear? Yes, guys, you have to say yes, then only I can move on. Clear? Hello. Understood. Mahdi and Sajad. Did you all understand what happened? Is it clear? Shall I move on to the next?
Madam, can you hear me now? Hello?
Now I can hear.
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. So next we will move on the second part question. State whether electrode potential depends on the concentration of Ag plus. Is it depending on the concentration of Ag plus, this electrode potential? Yes, now give me the reason. No, now why this? Mahati, did you try this question? No, right? But you know how to do the electrochemistry. Somewhat I have noticed you can do the electrochemistry questions. Why didn't you try this question? Okay, tell me. The concentration of Ag is depending on what? This electrode potential. Is it true or false? The statement is false why your AgCl is coming as a solid Ag, not Ag plus aqueous. Therefore, this concentration of Ag plus is not depending on the electropotential of this cell diagram. So therefore, this statement is false. Did you all understand? Okay. Say okay.
Madam, again, madam.
You have to say. Okay. The question is, they are asking, the electropotential is depends on the concentration of silver ion, Ag plus. The answer is no. Why? Look at your reaction. This electrode potential reaction, right? The electrocell reaction is the AgCl solid is becoming as a Ag solid, not Ag plus aqueous. Therefore, the concentration of this particular cell diagram is not, or you can say, independent of the concentration of silver ion. Did you all understand? Now,
Yes.
thank you. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Consider the following reaction. FPS. குடிச்சு குடிச்சு வரேன். நான் தங்கச்சி குடிச்சு வரேன்னு நினைச்சேன். Okay. வந்துட்டியா? Close the gate, right? 2Hs plus half O2 gas, which is giving Fe2 plus. Yes. Can you see if I write here H2O liquid? Can you see that one? See, can write? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So now they ask you all to write the oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. Can you say which one is oxidation reaction? Which is the reduction reaction? You all can tell. Yes. Yes, guys. Oxidation means what?
Fe2 plus.
Fe, we'll go for the Fe2 plus. Yes, that is correct answer. Here, Fe solid. The oxidation state is 0. It is coming as a Fe2 plus aqueous. The oxidation state is the plus 2. So Fe becoming a Fe2 plus. But this reaction is not balanced. Why? This side is 0 charge. This is the plus 2. Therefore, we are adding 2 electron. 2 plus, 2 minus. This side is 0 oxidation.
Madam.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Madam, I have to leave, madam. I'll see the recordings later.
Whatever.
No, madam. I have to leave for a work, madam.
Okay, study. Okay, inshallah, from Monday we will start this new one. Okay. Okay, Sajjad, you can leave now.
Okay, madam.
Assalamu
Assalamualaikum.
alaikum. Assalam. Okay, Mahdi, right? This is the oxidation reaction. What about the reduction reaction? We have that list, I think, electromotive list, right? So according to that, if it is oxidizing of water, it's one method. If it is reduction of the water, is another reaction is there. At least you should able to by heart is, if Fe is becoming as a Fe2 plus, here reduction reaction, H plus is coming, oxygen, right here 0, this is coming as a 2 minus. So reduction is happens what? This oxygen reduces as water. So that means your O2 gas reducing as a water liquid, and you have to balance the equation. It's already balanced, right? So this is what you have to by heart. If you by heart, quickly you can write the answers. So you need 2H, so we add the 2H, right? Here is only one oxygen, so I add the half oxygen. So this is your reaction. And now check the charge number. This is 0. Here 2H plus. Therefore, I am adding here 2 electrons. Did you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. So next, they have given the electromotive forces, right? E naught, Fe2 plus, Fe, it's minus 0.44 volt. E naught, H plus, A plus, O2 gas, H2, 1.23 volt. Can you find the electromotive force of cell of this reaction? Standard electropotential. E. What is the equation? E is equals to yes. Don't forget it, right? Whenever you study, E is equals to E cathode minus E anode. If you have the cell diagram, you can say E right minus E left. So E cathode is what? Reduction reaction. E anode is what? Oxidation reaction. So reduction, oxidation is the, if I write down, you can't see, right? I will write up. So therefore, E is the standard electron cell is minus 0.44 volt minus 1.3 volt. Your answer is 1.67. Clear?
Madam, I think I did this question, madam.
You done? At least up to here?
But I think wrong.
Yes, no. Something you done. Question number 7 out of 150, you got 20. You wrote, yeah, oxidation reduction. Those things are wrong. I have given just a marks. Half a mark. Something you tried, okay, but my target is you have to take 75 out of 7. This is what I need. Okay. So this is the question. You have changed the oxidation reduction. Therefore, this answer is wrong. I have given only for the equation. And here also you have changed the oxidation reduction reaction, but I have given the half of marks for that. Half means 3 out of 5. I have given the 3 or something like that. Just I have given some marks like that and this make you all to good marks. But don't expect the same criteria from the A level. So try to write the correct answers. And next, a constant current. 100 milliampere was passed through the 100 centimeter cube of 0.10 mole decimeter of aqueous calcium bromide. Solution as shown in the diagram. The temperature of the system was mentioned as 25 degrees Celsius. And this is your diagram, right? You have the solution. They have used the inert one. Both are platinum. Both are platinum. And one is connected to the positive, another one is connected. Here you have the calcium 2 plus and Br minus. They ask you all to write the oxidation and the reduction reaction. Br2 is becoming as a Br minus. And the oxidation, though they said the solution, right? Okay. So when they said that is the aqueous solution, you should be very careful about that. When you speak about the reduction, the calcium, which should be the favorable reduction to this reaction, right? So when you compare with this calcium, the water is having the most reduction with your electromotive diagram. That is has the most power. We studied such kind of thing. Though you have that such kind of the ions, when they mention as the aqueous, there is a possibility of the reduction or oxidation of the water molecule. There is a possibility. So once you do like that, check whether the calcium has the ability to become as a reduction when you compare with this oxygen. So what do you want? Water molecule. By comparing the electromotive force, which one has the highest positive value? That will undergo for what? The reduction reaction. Therefore, your oxidation reaction is, you done that part. Oxidation reaction is the CaBr2. Right. You have the calcium bromide Br minus. So your Br minus becoming as so here you have to put 2 here, right? And now here 2 minus, therefore 2. Next, reduction reaction. Compared to the calcium, water molecule has the power of reduce into oxygen, OH minus. Therefore, what is happening? The presence of the gas. This is your reduction ratio. Did you all understand? Did you understand? Did you understand? If it is reduction, the water is becoming as a OH minus. If is water is going for the oxidation, the O2 becoming as a water. This is the effect of the water molecule reduction oxidation process. Do you understand? Yes, ma'am. So now up to this, somewhat you can do this question. So if you honestly try that question, right? 22, 34 marks, you can get it. Out of 75, not 30. 34, 886, 40, 50 marks. If you have done correct way, you out of 25, I targeted light. Okay, you might lose the marks, 25 marks. That is Q is equals to IT, you are not clear, right? So you might lose the marks from there. Up to 50, you can score definitely. This is what you are targeting. This is how you have to target the questions. Then only you can get the marks. So next, they are telling keep the diagram in your mind, right? Calculate the time taken. You have to find the time taken for the concentration of the precipitation of the calcium hydroxide. Sorry. You have to find the time. What is the precipitation of calcium hydroxide? Solubility product of calcium hydroxide. What is the solubility? KSP. Is given, that is 1.0 10 to the power of minus 5 mole cube decimeter minus 3. And they said neglect the ionization of water. Why? Because we said water is undergoing for what? Reduction. So you have to neglect the ionization of water, then only you can do the question. Assume that volume of aqueous phase remains constant. Though the volume is increased or decreased, they are telling the volume assumed as constant. Now you have to find the answer. KSP, solubility product. What is the equation for the solubility product? For the calcium hydroxide. The calcium hydroxide, if it is soluble in water, it will become as a calcium 2 plus and 2OH minus. So this is all our aqueous. So you have to write the KSP is equals to calcium 2 plus aqueous into OH minus aqueous. Here you have the 2. Yeah. Right. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. So this is what the KSP requirements. When the concentration of OH minus is start to precipitate, the calcium hydroxide concentration become equal. The point where the concentration, the precipitation concentration is equals to the concentration of the calcium hydroxide. Therefore, you can say OH minus concentration is equals to calcium hydroxide concentration. Why? Where the concentration, where the precipitation starts happen, that particular concentration, these both concentration are equal. From that assumption, I will write this. From that assumption, you can write the OH minus, concentration of OH minus is equal to, you know the solubility product, that is 1 into 0 10 to the power of minus. Substitute directly. So then I will raise down part. You have the, this is your equation, KC is equals to so this is equal at this. So that is happening. The OH minus equals is equals to power 2 is equals to 1.0 10 to the power of minus 5 decimeter minus 6 divided by the concentration of the calcium bromide is given, that is 100 into 10 to the power of minus. Sorry. 0.1 into 10 to the power of mole decimeter minus 3, so 0.1 answer. Mole decimeter minus 3. So if you want to find the OH minus equals the root of 1.0 mole decimeter minus 6 divided by 0.1 mole decimeter minus. So your answer is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Therefore, now can you see? Therefore, your answer is 1.0 10 to the power of minus 3. Did you understand? 6. This is 5, it will come 4. Therefore, this is 2. Did you understand? Mahdi? Think you know the KSP value that is thus given, and this is the equation of the KSP. At the KSP, I said when the concentration start with the precipitate, the concentration of the Ca2 plus become the OH minus. Okay, so what is happening? You know the concentration of the calcium bromide, that is 0.1. We substitute, and we know the KSP value. Okay, this is power 2, so therefore we are taking root. Okay, so once you take the root, you are end up with what? The concentration of OH minus. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
And next, we are going to find the moles of the OH minus. So you know the concentration of OH minus. COH minus is 1.0 10 to the power of minus 2 moles. So if you want to find the moles of the OH minus, C is equals to N over V, M is equals to C into V, right? According to that, 10 10 to the power of minus 2 mole decimeter minus 3, and the volume is given 100 centimeter cube. I write here, okay, I put there 100 into, this is centimeter, you have to convert into the decimeter cube. That is 10 to the power of minus 3 decimeter cube. Your mole is 1.0 10 to the power of minus 3. Are you clear? Right? Okay. Is it clear now? Okay. Next, the amount of charge. The amount of charge that must pass through the solution. The amount of charge. Q is equals to the amount of charge you have to find. So what is the charge you have to find for this Q into 10 to the power of, mole into Q into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole into the Faraday constant 96 500 mole minus. Now you find the charge. Are you clear? We have this equation. If you want to find the amount of the charge, right? You know, if you want to convert anything, if you know the moles, if you want to convert into the charge, what we are doing is you have to multiply by that particular amount of mole into that Faraday constant. Coulomb mole minus 1, finally you end up with the charge. Now you have to find the time taken for this precipitation. Okay, now I am raising here. You know this equation, Q is equals to IT. Q you know, I know, you have to find T. T is equals to Q over I. The Q is equals to 96.5 coulomb, right? I is 100 milliampere. So we will convert it into, yes, ampere, that is coulomb second minus 1. And finally, you will end up with the answer is 965. Did you understand? Yes.
Yes, madam.
So this is what no. This is KSP's idea from the equilibrium. Very smallest thing they ask. They have given the all value and everything. You just find the concentration of OH. So once you find the concentration, you can go for the mole. If you know the mole, what is the amount of charge need for this solution, then we found the charge because by using the Faraday constant. And ultimately, you know the equation to find the time. The charge is equal to current into time. So we know the current is given, that is a milliampere second. So you have to convert into the coulomb second. So you are multiplying by 10 to the power of 3. So now you are end up with this answer by second, even though you can convert into the minutes can give it. So this is what at least the half of session you can do. Even for the equation, whatever you write, I have given the marks. Definitely, guys, you all can do these questions. It's not that much hard. You are making yourself hard. I have checked. You have at least from 2017 or even from the 2018 only. You are having the question which is belongs to the your electrochemistry. So that is the big deal. Okay, I will check if there is any other model papers are available which is belongs to this particular area, right? Then we can try definitely, inshallah. We can do it, right? So inshallah from Monday, okay, so this is what I'm not telling don't study everything, but what I'm telling is whatever you study, you should be confident. You should 100 out of 100 for that particular session. We have only 4 months, guys. Inshallah, 4 months I'll be with you all. Do one thing. What you want to do is please study at home. Inshallah, refer 1 and 2. Then we can finish that. We have only 3 days next week, okay? Even though within next week, okay, from next week and another more week, okay, we can complete the 6-year papers of what unit 1 and 2, and we'll target ultimately 10 marks. Fine. This is the first step. We'll climb the steps one by one, right? Definitely you will go to that. Inshallah. It's my prayers, guys. I'm not even though I scolded, even though I fought with you all, it doesn't matter. You all are my children. So what my sake is, guys, you all have to study. You have to get a pass. So not only in that sake of pass, you can go beyond the level. Please try that maximum level. Only effort for these 4 months, 4 to 5 months. Only these 4, suffer a lot and try to achieve the best. Right? Okay, Mahdi, today I'm ending the class early. I said 15 minutes early. So, inshallah, we'll meet on Monday. Maybe the timetable will be circulated. As usual, it should be morning 8 o'clock. So I'll meet with the paper, come with the past paper question. I'm not going to share the past paper question. Come with the past paper question. Please don't look at the answers. Honestly, one by one, I will ask the question. You have to answer. If not, I will explain you all how to do that question. Okay. Okay, guys. See you. Meet you on tomorrow, Monday. Okay. Have a nice weekend. Study at home. Right. See you.
Thank you, madam.
Salam
Assalamu alaikum.
alaikum. Take care. Take care. Alaikum salam. Bye.